Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2020 Hyundai Kona SE. This vehicle does have AM and FM radio. Also, you do have Bluetooth, which the buttons for that are going to be right here and here. Also, you can change the FM and AM radio by just hitting this button here. If we take a look on the outside, it is black. This vehicle is all-wheel drive. This is what the cargo area looks like. It does have a cargo cover up here, so then when you put the lift gate down, you can't see what's inside the area. Also, you have the compact spare tire underneath that. This is what the back seats look like. To wrap this up, right down here you have different drive modes. You have sport mode or normal. Also, this vehicle does have the rear vision camera. That is all I have on this Kona. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.